So we're here today with Dr. Villena, one of our associate functional dentists here at Deering Dental. And Dr. Villena, what got you into biomimetic, or as we like to call it, functional dentistry?
So as I learned more about functional dentistry and was learning that I'm able to provide the same level of treatment with less time and with better materials, it is really just driving my passion to be able to provide minimally invasive dentistry for my guests.
Okay, now you told me before that some of the other practices you've worked at, that you actually bumped heads with doctors over this approach. Why was that?
So yeah, the traditional methods take a different approach than the functional ones. There's actually one case in particular that always stands out to me. In a previous practice, I had seen a guest and I had recommended some functional dentistry on 2 teeth with a similar diagnosis. I completed this functional dentistry on 1 tooth, and when the dentist of the office figured out that I had completed that, had a conversation with me and didn't really appreciate what I did, so then they ended up just taking the patient for themselves, and they actually completed the more traditional methods on the other tooth.
Okay, so you fixed one of the teeth with a functional restoration. How did the other dentists treat the second tooth once they got them off of your schedule?
It was treated with a root canal and a crown.
So significantly more invasive.
More invasive, more chair time, more cost, but it was the same result as the traditional method with the modern functional dentistry that I applied on the other tooth.
How much more of the tooth were you able to preserve using functional methods?
It's a substantial amount, and just from looking at the 2 teeth on x-ray, you can determine that the functional tooth has a way better chance for function and longevity than the one that was taken with the more traditional methods.
And so how is it now practicing somewhere where this is what we specialize in?
It's great. This is like home to me, and I look forward to being able to treat as many guests as I can with these functional dentistry methods.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Villena. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.